Anting pamanalukiking Universal Healthcare Law ang magnasang aserbisyon ding sabla at alang malakwan karasking kabulasan. Balaw siya ng Philippine Health Insurance Corporation of PhilHealth king pamagpasanding na rin benepisyo para karing-karelang miyembro. Kaya nakareni ang pamandagdaging libreng hemodialysis session kareng pasyente, amiras, king 156 o 3 times per week. Inyang milabas sa January 26, pekisabi na muna mang Pampanga Vice Governor Lilia Pineda ang mabilis sa pamagsettle na ni PhilHealth king karelang payables o claims kareng healthcare providers. Minuna na ng sinabi ni President and CEO ni PhilHealth ay Emmanuel Ledesma Jr. Haabayaran na ni PhilHealth ing 45 billion pesos inyang August, September hanggang December 2023. At agpangking acting branch manager ni PhilHealth Regional Office 3 Branch B ay Alan Granali, miras king 17.5 billion claims ing karelang bayaran naman nabat inyang January hanggang December 2023. Metong muna man king pekisabi ng Pineda impaman dagdag king benepisyong akakwara rin pasyente para king tuberculosis.
TV is only 4,000 as of the moment. But of course, pinag-uusapan na definitely it will increase. No? Kasi we are number 4, the entire Asia, no? Then talagang alarming na siya. So I think it's about time, high time, no, na we have to increase our benefit. Sige lang po, tabayanan po natin, no? Ito na, nagkaroon ng 30% in the increase of the old case rate. So these other benefits will follow. And of course, with regard to the TB benefits natin, or TB does. Thank you.
Kaya berin ka rin didina ng focus nga ni PhilHealth in mental health. Inya naman, kaya biya pa ka rin karalang packages ding outpatient benefits, yung General Mental Health Service Package at Specialty Mental Health Service Package. At inyang 9,000 pesos rate per person per year in General Mental Health Service Package. Kaya biya ka rin serbisyong covered na nini in screening, assessment, diagnostics, follow-up visits, psychosocial support at panulo. Kabang assessment, specialist diagnostics, follow-up visits, panulu, at psychotherapy naman, yung makapaloob king specialty mental health service package ang magkaalagang 16,000 pesos balang tao per year. Ing Maribelas Mental Wellness and General Hospital naman king Bataan, ing mumunang dealing accredited outpatient mental health benefits package provider king Region 3.
Importante, no? Dahil sa Department of Education yan na sinasabi, marami po nagkakaroon ng mental health problem. Sir, nasa DepEd, hindi lang po ang mga estudyante, kasama rin po ang mga teachers, at saka mga supervisor, at saka mga principal po. No? So, I think it's about high time also. May mga partner po tayo sa DepEd, no, na tinatawag natin ng mga degree schoolers. Sila po ang napapalaganap nito mga design with regard to the mental health program orientation sa kanilang bawat institusyon ng Department of Education.
Samantala, basic ang database ng PhilHealth at yun nalaking 115 million ding hanggang Pilipino a-covered ng karelang programa. Kiniking Central Luzon at yun nalaking 12.62 million ding PhilHealth registered o at yun 98% na ring 12.89 million population in December 2023. Asaan mo naman kanuing mas dakal pang enhancement ka rin benefits ngayon 2024. Ako, Inke Kayong Talasuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.